Both keen woodworkers and professionals have numerous different saws to choose from, but without a doubt the two most versatile are the jigsaw and the handheld circular saw. There are many products available to choose the best corded circular saw, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 7 1/4-inch circular saw. With such great options available, it's difficult to pick a single best corded circular saw, but the DeWalt offers both keen enthusiasts and professionals just about everything they need. There is also the brand's high standards of precision, durability, and reliability. The 15-amp motor provides the basis for a powerful 7 1/4-inch tool. Both are tool-free, lever-operated. One of the lightest circular saws in its class. A dust blower is a useful addition, and ball bearings make for smooth guard operation. The supplied blade is an 18-tooth model, which offers fast and aggressive cutting, but is perhaps a bit coarse for sheet work. A 24-tooth version is an affordable addition. Number 2. Bosch CS10 7 1/4-inch 15-amp circular saw. The runner-up from Bosch is another solidly built 15-amp 7 1/4-inch saw. It has a maximum depth of 2 7/16 inches and beveling to 56 degrees, with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. The 24-tooth blade will tackle most workshop and site jobs with ease. It weighs 10.2 pounds. There are simple levers for fast adjustment and an onboard wrench for blade changes. Like the DeWalt, there's a dust blower and a snag-free blade guard. The Bosch doesn't quite match the DeWalt on a few key statistics, but remains an excellent all-rounder and one that is very competitively priced. A carry bag is a nice extra. Number 3. SKILSAW SPT70WM01 15-amp 10 1/4-inch Magnesium. One glance at the 10 1/4-inch 40-tooth blade leaves little doubt that the 15-amp SKILSAW is designed for heavy-duty cutting. The impression is reinforced by the high-torque worm drive and the auxiliary side handle that provides extra grip. The grip is necessary when the 16.5-pound tool is used at its maximum cut depth of 3.7 inches. A tool-free lever is pre-marked with 2x and 4x lumber thicknesses for fast setting, and it will produce bevel cuts to 51 degrees, again tool-free. The shoe is magnesium, combining toughness with weight saving. The lower guard is bearing-guided for smoothness. This is far from an everyday circular saw, but for those who need maximum job site performance, it offers outstanding capabilities. Number 4. Evolution 02700004C Power Tools R185cc SX 7 1/4-inch. Evolution has built a reputation for producing a range of versatile saws, much of which is due to the clever multi-material blades. On this model, it's a 7 1/4-inch 40-tooth model, capable of cutting through lumber, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, plastics, laminates, and composites. Maximum depth of cut is 2.5 inches in wood, and it will bevel to 45 degrees. Powering the saw is a robust 15-amp motor. The design of the aluminum shoe channels air out the front, blowing dust away from the cut path. To extend capabilities even further, slotted guides are available so the Evolution can be used as a track saw. Once set up, this allows the user to make perfectly straight cuts in lumber, plywood sheets, worktops, and so on. Number 5. Makita 5477 NB 7 1/4-inch Hypoid Saw. The Makita Hypoid Saw is aimed more at the contractor than the home workshop user, though DIYers undertaking substantial remodeling jobs might find it well worth the investment. With the large contact area of its Hypoid gears, the Makita transfers more of its 15-amp power to the 7 1/4-inch 24-tooth blade. Beveling is available to 51.5 degrees, with 22.5 and 45-degree detents. The shoe is steel for job site durability and has been chemically treated to prevent rust. Its useful rafter hook underlines the Makita's target market of roofers, framers, and other carpentry trades. The 14.3-pound weight reflects the robust construction intended for tough working environments. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.